Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video, or you can pause the video, go subscribe, and come back so you don't forget. A big shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, commented on my videos, and to everybody who shared my videos. Big up on yourself. One love. Cuteness overload. This is indeed the cutest little boy if I ever sit down in my chair. Oh my gosh, he's so sweet. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to freestyle braid and very straight and soft hair. So this is just a freestyle design. I mean, I kind of have an idea where I'm going with this, but I'm not 100% sure where I'm going with this. So please watch as I flow with this. Guys, please note that I'll be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing. A massive shout out to all my clients in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. We are talking about people who travel from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me. And to all the clients who traveled from other countries to start their hair journey with me, big up on yourself, one love, when you don't know all the things set and the things set good and proper. Guys, you can now book a one-to-one consultation. If you need any hair care tips or advice, please email speecheshaircare@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please press like because you like it, and share it because sharing is caring, and comment your thoughts. Even if you do not have anything good to say, I still would like to hear your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to keep up with my clients' hair growth journey and my hairstyles and things. Up. And guys, please don't forget that I will be posting a new video on Tuesdays and Saturdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. London, UK time zone. So please make sure to tune in and support the thing.
That song is on.